Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm on my way to work, stuck at a stoplight, waiting for pedestrians to do their pedestrian thing. What do I want to say? Today I didn't film my makeup routine. I wanted to actually do like a time study to see like how long it takes for me to really do like a full face of makeup. And it's not even the fullest of full faces. I mean, I did do... So I don't count skincare because I really don't have time to do skincare like on camera. When I get out of the shower, I tone immediately, and I also like moisturize like pretty quickly because I don't want my pores to close up. So it's really important for me to get the serums and the moisturizer into my pores so I don't really fuck around there. Once I've done that, then I lotion my body, and from there, look at these chi-chis. They look pretty exposed. That's not what I was trying to do, I promise. Ooh, look at this overexposure. It's crazy. There's a lot of traffic on the freeway. I have a new commute these days, which I'm actually happy about because this is the perfect example as to why I'm so happy to be doing something different than I was in the earlier part of this year. No one gonna let me over. People are such dicks, dude. I swear to God. Like, you see my like signal. Oh, okay. Dude, the sun is like really doing the most right now. Let's see if I can do anything about it. Okay. You know, the sun is really annoying, honestly. I feel like while I know we need it to live, it is always trying to blind a bitch. Like, where I live especially, the sun is like very bright, very hot all the time. I'm always battling with seeing. Like, the sun is really always trying to like just like crest over some fucking bridge or some building or a mountain or some shit and like blinding the fuck out of you. And it's so annoying because you can't sue the sun. Like, I know that it's pretty obvious, but like, it's really irritating. So if you hit somebody, it's on you, even though the sun blinded you. Anyways, why am I going down this rabbit hole? Alright, so I'm on my way to work. I was supposed to leave early. I did technically leave like 10 minutes early, though that wasn't the point. I was supposed to leave significantly earlier because I have like time that I need to make up. But I didn't. I only left like 10 minutes earlier than I was supposed to, which perhaps is like an hour 10 earlier than I did yesterday, so perhaps that is progress after all. I don't know. Anyways, back to my makeup. So I didn't record the video today because I wanted to just see how long it takes for me to do my makeup, like a full face, especially with these new steps that I'm trying to add in. And sorry, I have a post-nasal drip, so I'm always clearing my throat. So I did a full face of makeup for the most part, like with new stuff that I don't normally do, which is kind of what I introduced in my last video, like blush, contour, highlight, like a lot more concealer than I normally use, and a new concealer which I'm still struggling to like blend and stuff. Like, honestly, I don't know. It's coming out now finally because I was like fucking figured out how to use it. It's very light and it really kind of washed me out in my opinion. I was trying to like use my foundation powder over it, and that wasn't blending very well. But the only positive is that that powder is too dark for me. I can't find a color, like I have to mix. So maybe it allowed me to not look as dark, but I'm concerned that I look more pale, and like, you know, it's just too light for me. I don't know, but it did help my contour and shit come out like better than it would normally have come out. So I don't know. I really couldn't spend a lot of time evaluating what I did. I just did some things and I hope it doesn't look crazy, but if it does, you know, well, this is part of the struggle. So it took me about an hour to do my makeup. No, wait. would say, no, no, it didn't. It took me about 40 minutes to do my makeup. I'm trying to figure out how long it takes to do my makeup so I can know what to budget, because, you know, I am a working gal and I do have to get out of the house at a certain time. And the purpose of these videos is to kind of do my like normal thing, whatever my normal is, like new normal or whatever, do my thing, and as part of like my daily routine, and record it. This is one of the types of videos that I don't have to do like a whole thing to like record. I get up, I do my normal routine, I just film it, and the only addition is I'm talking to you guys a little bit, so obviously that's going to take a little time, or add a little time, but it's otherwise fairly like consistent with what I would normally do. And technically I do talk to myself, so I'm not sure that even talking to you guys is out of my norm. Oh, this is a spot I don't want to be in. And there was a car in that one. There are hella compact spots, like, anyhow. So I don't know. I'm gonna like go into work and see like what I look like. Hopefully it's not too crazy. Light again. My head still hurts. Not as bad as it was yesterday. I really gotta get like this shit resolved though. I'm sorry, like I'm being hella reckless with this camera. The light is changing so much and the angles are crazy. But anyhow, I didn't want to really put a lot of effort into what I was wearing today, so I just kind of did some things. And my lips are not bomb. It was a thing. I had to do a lot of cleanup and I didn't have time to fix like my concealer and everything, but so it's rubbed off around my lips and I'm just gonna have to deal with it. Anyhow, I am at work and so I gotta go. I'll catch you guys later.
Hey guys, I want to tell you to check out my newest video on my podcast channel, Pink Theory. Post new videos once a week on Thursday. We talk about a lot of cool stuff, which I can't wait to share with you. Be sure to subscribe to this channel, ring the bell for notifications, and pop on over to Pink Theory. And don't forget to rinse and repeat, because I'll catch you on the flip side. Yay, we recorded some shit.